Hey everyone, I am Bruce, and today I am going to be comparing Bank of America versus Chase. Let us begin with opening the websites of both Bank of America and Chase. So first of all, we will review Bank of America. Once you get into its site, click on the checking option from the top bar, then explore checking solutions and go into the banking advantage of Bank of America. So Bank of America provides easy access anytime, convenient ways to pay, and provides 24/7 security and smart management tools. Or you can get help with each account from their team. Now get back and see what they have to offer in student banking. Bank of America provides a great start for students and young adults. Bank of America Advantage Safe Balance Banking and Digital Banking in the palm of your hands. No paper check writing. It helps keep you from spending more than you have. No overdraft fees. No monthly maintenance fee for each statement cycle. An owner of the account is under the age of 25 and maintains a minimum daily balance of $500. You can also check out the Preferred Rewards program from here. No monthly maintenance fee for students and young adults under 25. Bank your way with the help of online and mobile banking. Helps you put in control of when and where you bank. You can lock or unlock your debit card from here. Let us head to the savings of BOA and see what they have in here. It has a personalized planning option, easy ways to save, a rewarding relationship, and cash-back deals are also offered in savings. The account details and fees are dependent on your balance. You have to maintain your minimum daily balance of $500 or more in your account. An owner of this account is under the age of 25, or you have to pay $8 monthly. You can also check out the rates of your standard annual percentage yield. Well, after that, you will head to the credit card section and see what they have to offer here. So you can get cashback credit cards, travel and airlines rewards cards, lower interest rates cards, and points rewards cards. Cards to build or rebuild credit, cards for students. Then go into the home loans option. You can get a mortgage, refinance, home equity, home resource center, and help in finding a home. So about loans, you can get an auto purchase loan, auto loan pre-qualification, auto refine loans, and ready for an electric vehicle. After that, we have investing, so you can build your portfolio, get a professionally managed portfolio, work with a dedicated advisor, and a Bank of America rewards. In their better money habits, you have credit, debt, saving and budgeting, auto, college, and many more. You can choose the card that works for you. They have customized cash rewards, unlimited cash rewards, travel rewards, and Bank America card. Each card offers an online bonus of amounting to $200 to $25,000. Lastly, we will discuss the pros and cons of Bank of America. So the pros are a large national presence with 3,900 financial centers and 15,000 ATMs. It provides easy open an account online or at a branch. Also, Preferred Rewards members enjoy fee waivers and higher rates on deposit accounts. The cons are interest rates for savings and CD accounts lag behind other banks. It costs a $10 overdraft fee and can be charged up to 2 times daily. High account balances are required to qualify for Preferred Reward status. Now we will compare the Chase Bank and let's see what they have to offer. To begin, head to the Chase online site and click on the checking option from the top bar. Choose a checking account. From here, you can also have a look at debit cards for kids if you want to. To open a checking account online, you have options such as Chase Total Checking, Chase Secure Banking, Chase Premium Plus Checking. So the monthly service fees of each account are as follows, such as the Chase Total Checking will cost you $12 or $50. Chase Secure Banking costs you $4.95 and Chase Premier Plus Checking will cost you $25. More than 15,000 ATMs and more than 47,000 branches. You will get the service of Chase Online, Banking, Online Bill Pay, and Chase Mobile Banking. AutoSave makes saving easy with automatic transfers to a Chase saving account. Early deposit with direct deposit. Get your money up to 2 business days early. No fees for money orders and cashier's checks. Then we check out the savings and compare savings accounts. Savings are made simple with our most popular savings account. Automatically set money aside, earn interest, and track your savings on the go with our Chase mobile app. Benefits of Chase Savings are earn interest, auto save, ATM and branches, and online and mobile banking. They have the Chase Premium Savings and Private Client Savings. In Chase Premier Savings, You can earn Premier relationship rates when you link the account to a Chase Premier Plus checking or Chase Sapphire banking account. It will charge you $25 or $0 of monthly service fee. Then head to CDs by entering your zip code, and you will find the benefit of Chase Savings. See Chase Savings account interest rates, auto save, mobile, and online banking. You can save a trip to the branch and deposit checks in a snap with Chase Quick Deposit, account alerts, and then access to more than 15,000 ATMs and more than 4,700 branches and FDIC insurance protection. If you want to see more service, you can add money to your account, order checks, and activate debit cards. You can find financial tips and tools to manage your financial goals, grow your savings with AutoSave, and schedule a meeting. Lastly, we will discuss the pros and cons of Chase Bank. So the pros are more than 15,000 Chase ATMs and more than 4,700 physical branches, Chase coupons and bonuses for new customers, low opening requirements, easy to waive service fees on basic accounts, many checking options for all financial situations, online and mobile banking from anywhere, free online bill pay, mobile deposits, and text banking. You'll get 24/7 customer service with real reps, a highly rated mobile app, an FDIC insured up to $250,000, full service bank with checking, savings, credit cards, loans, and investing. However, it has low interest rates on saving products and is not located in all states. Requirements to waive monthly service fees and high out-of-network ATM fees, many banking fees, and no retirement accounts. Remember, it is essential to evaluate your individual preferences and requirements before choosing a bank. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Until next time, goodbye.